Hey guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cuisine. Today I will be making my $20 spaghetti recipe. It is delicious. It is packed with fresh vegetables. Your family will love it, and I think that you will enjoy it because it is budget friendly. I've already washed my ingredients and my vegetables, and I am going to cut my carrots at an angle. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 carrots. It doesn't take that much time. I always wash my vegetables before getting them ready. Now, I'm going to slice my onions, and we're going to be using a medium-sized Vidalia onion. This onion is not as spicy as the red onion, but if you like red onions, then that would be fine. I don't believe that it's going to change the recipe. Now I'm going to slice my garlic cloves, and the garlic gives it a really good flavor, so don't be afraid to add garlic, or don't skip on the ingredients because it takes away from the flavor. Now I'm going to slice my green bell pepper. This recipe calls for 3 peppers, and the reason why I'm using the 3 different colors is because it makes it very colorful, and it adds a lot of flavor to the recipe. Now I'm going to slice my yellow bell pepper. Now I'm going to slice my red bell pepper. Add some salt and pepper, and once that is completed, then we can go ahead and get ready to cook this delicious spaghetti. So my stove is on medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have any olive oil, feel free to use vegetable oil. And now, I'm going to let the oil heat up a little bit. Once the pan is heated, I'm going to add our chicken. So we're going to cook this chicken for 10 minutes until it's thoroughly cooked. And then we're going to add our vegetables. And while we're waiting on the vegetables, I'm going to add a teaspoon of white vinegar. It gives it a really good flavor. So I have my daughter Jade on camera today. Say, hey Jade.
Hey.
How do you like this recipe?
I like it a lot. I'm ready for it to be done, so it's time.
I hear you. Cook my chicken for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to incorporate the vegetables. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit so that we don't have any problems with the ingredients sticking to the bottom of the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of maple, maybe like a little teaspoon of maple syrup to even out the flavors. You can use sugar, as a substitute. Now we're going to cook the vegetables for 3 minutes. And the reason for 3 minutes is because we don't want them to overcook. It's coming together, guys. Now we're going to add our pasta to the cooked ingredients. Ooh, it looks like I need a larger pot or pan. Quite a bit. But it's coming together. I can smell the garlic. Now I'm going to add my vodka sauce. And it's not going to make you tipsy or anything. It's just enough to give it flavor. It's safe for the kids. It smells so good. It's a creamy sauce. This recipe is a favorite with my kids. So now my pasta is ready to eat. I'm gonna call my niece, my little niece Carly, and have my beautiful niece Carly. And let's see how you like this pasta, to see if it's approved by Carly.
What sauce did you use, Ben?
Vodka sauce. Isn't it amazing? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.